How's it going, good friends? Brian from Apex Detail here. As I've mentioned before, I will review products. If you think you have a product that you want to share with the audience that would be effective for them as it is for you, send it to me. I'll review it. I've done it before, and we're going to do it here again today. Richard Seam, a regular down in the comment section, a good friend, send the Seafoam Bug Be Gone. This is a multitask product for under $8, guys. So let's give this a shot. See if it works for me as it has for him. Seafoam Bugs Be Gone, 16 ounces for $7.29. Although marketed as a product that can remove bug guts from the front of your car or glass, it can do much, much more. And I love to bring you guys products that have more than one purpose, getting more bang for the buck. Simply spray on, let set or dwell for 45 seconds to a minute, and then activate with water by rinsing off with a pressure washer, or you can use a damp microfiber and work on those bugs or whatever you're working on. I'm going to show you everything that I use it for and I've tested it for, and it is effective and it is safe for chrome, painted surfaces, windshields, mirror, plastics, gel coat, boats, RVs, metal, and wheels. First, bug guts, and this has plenty of it, and they've been on there for quite some time, actually etching into the clear. That's how long they've been on there. Harden, dry it up. We're going to spray it on there, let it dwell for 45 seconds to a minute. We have a damp microfiber, and let's see what we can get done here. Softening up by the second. I can see it running down as it breaks and emulsifies the dirt and the bug guts. And we have a microfiber here, damp, under a cold tap, wrung out, not dripping wet. Just very lightly skim across the surface. Just like your rinseless wash routine, twist, flip the towel, and pick that crap up. Follow up with a dry microfiber. Besides being pitted from being pelted from rocks and rock chips, the bug guts are gone. And this stuff is very, very effective. Now, on fresh bug guts, I would spray it on there, get out your hose or the pressure washer, and just rinse it off. No need to touch it or scrape it. The label mentions wheels, tires, and brake dust. Let's start with the tire. This tire here is starting to brown with the combination of tire shine and brake dust. Let's see if we can break that up a bit. We all know what a pain this can be to remove with regular surfactants. Let's give the Bugs Be Gone a try. We'll just generously spray it on half the tire here, let it dwell for a minute, and I'll wipe off with a damp microfiber, see what it does. I'd like to see the suds there, a brownish color. Some of the harsher chemicals that we do use to clean tires, you would see that. It's, yeah, I mean, it's breaking it down. Just rubbing my finger along it. It's not like I'm using a scrub brush or anything. I'm going to take a damp microfiber and run it up along the area. Just clean off the muck, let it dry, and we'll see what did it break down the brown goo from the combination of brake dust and tire gel. We'll see. So all I did was run the microfiber down along the sidewall. I didn't use a detailing brush or a dedicated tire brush. Let's dry it off and see if it's made a difference. Yeah, I mean, it's done very good with very little effort at all. No scrubbing, no pressure washer. Huge difference. There's surfactants within the cleaner, very effective. Deep clean the area. And yeah, not bad. All right, let's flip this over. I believe this does have a white wall, sidewall. Let's do the same thing. We'll just spray one side of the white wall, just using a microfiber, a nice soft microfiber, see how clean we can get it. Let it sit there for a minute. Okay. Bring you a little closer as we do this. Wow, this stuff is really surprising me. A lot more effective than I thought it was going to be. I kind of thought it was just more gimmicky. And there you go. Not bad at all. Okay, next up we have a nice wheel, but the barrel of the wheel looks absolutely terrible. A ton of brake dust. Let's flip it around, use the seafoam, bug be gone, and see what kind of work we can get done. All right, we'll spray this side of the barrel of the wheel. Let it sit for a minute. All right, let's give this a shot. Have a damp microfiber. Let me grab you guys and bring you in close. Let's just do a little bit of drying in here. Although this wheel is not perfect, the seafoam has done a surprisingly good job. This is pitting in here. It's not dirt left behind. A lot of pitting. Yeah, this is definitely surprising me. Okay. Something fantastic I found by testing the product. This gentleman here loves his cigars. The inside absolutely reeks from it. And the windows, as you can imagine, are fun to clean. Streaky because of the tobacco and the tar. This stuff here, spray it on there, let it sit for a minute. I have a damp window towel and a dry one. Takes it away and helps with the odor as well. Use it on the outside as well. Older collectibles such as this older vet here sits in a damp garage. If it gets any type of mold or mildew on the inside, the seafoam will take care of that. Simply spray onto the surface, let it sit as usual, wipe it off, and it'll kill the mold and mildew and get rid of that horrible smell. And for the final thoughts segment of the video, you guys know I love to bring you versatile products that have more than one purpose. You really get your bang for the buck, and for under $8, this does a good job. It's effective. It may not be the best at everything, but it is effective at a lot of things, and that's important. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video. If you are indeed enjoying the content and the channel, hit the like and the subscribe button. And if you're waiting for new content from the channel, hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button.